Hi, Mike Love here at MarineMax in Summers Point. Today we're going to be walking through this all-new 2024 Scout 215 Dorado. Starting here in the back, you'll notice there's a great fold-out bench. Folding this up, tucking it away, you'll see we have a huge open space here for fishing. Lots of space for entertaining, lots of space for some getting lines in the water. Got a live well on the back here as well. Keep your bait nice and fresh, acrylic front so you can see the healthier bait while you're underway. Overhead, we have a bimini, so if you have the hot summer days, you want to get out of the sun a little bit, you can deploy this, keep everyone nice and shaded, nice and comfortable while riding. You do have rod gunnel storage under each of the gunnels there, so you got 4 rod storage holders there, as well as 4 rod holders across the back, so plenty of space to get all your rods on board. Moving forward, you'll see you have 2 swivel seats here. So nice comfortable spots to ride underway. You'll see you do have the flip up and down bolsters on both of these seats, so you can find a position that's comfortable if you want to sit up higher, sit lower, find what works for you. At the helm on this boat, you'll notice you do have the 9-inch Garmin display built in flush mounted with the black acrylic here. Tilt wheel, and you got your throttle over here. All of your switches underneath and trim tabs. Fusion head sound speaker on this boat, so nice, easy to hook up your phone or get some radio, get some tunes underway. Moving forward on this boat, great storage locker underneath our feet here, so if you have toys, like water sports toys or anything else you want to bring on board, great space for that. Also, this huge storage compartment here, you can throw a porta potty in there, use it as a head, or just keep it as a large storage compartment. This does drain as well. Moving to the front of the boat, great seating area up front, so if you do have some additional guests on board, it is padded the full way around, so there's not an uncomfortable seat in the bow. You can see this is a great space too. I can comfortably stretch my legs out up front, and just, a great spot to be underway. Got some armrests as well, keep it nice and comfortable while riding. So again, this is our 2024 Scout 215 Dorado. If you'd like to see this boat or any of our other available inventory here at Summers Point, we'd love to have you, or give us a call here at 609-926-0600. Thanks again. See you out on the water.